So in the last video, we taught you how to essentially add a new page, which we're doing right here. And in this scenario, we're creating an ebook page as this example. And so to edit your funnel pages, your any page on your website, your pop-up pages, etc., it's very easy to drag and drop. We have a video showing you how to drag and drop, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to essentially edit your entire website. So you just simply click on your text, highlight it, and then you could go ahead and change just by typing in whatever you'd want to type in. On the top, you're going to see that there's a lot of different options from bold, the different fonts. You have the actual coloring of the font itself. You have the ability to add a background color over the or behind the lettering essentially. But again, you'll just click on the text that you want to change and edit. If you want to adjust the sizing, it's very easy to do so. It's just scrolling up basically, looking for those green lines, and then adjusting just via holding and dragging up. Again, drag and drop, very easy to use. So as I'm filling out this text right here for this example, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Boom. So again, you really do not need any coding experiences or experience whatsoever to be able to build this. And again, let's say if you want to come down here and adjust or maybe add a new section. Let's say we want to add a section. Go to add block. You're going to see all these different templates pop up that you're able to add from services, call to actions, different videos, as you can see right here. I'm going to go ahead and add this video category to essentially add a video, and to edit the sections very easy. I'm just going to go over block. I'm going to delete the background image because I want it, so that's very easy to do. But I want this text to be the same, so I'm just going to click on it, hit copy. You're going to see it pop up in the top left over by dashboard and logout, and I'm just going to click that, and I'm going to drag and drop. That's one of the most unique features that this system has, in my personal opinion, is the ability to copy section, copy widgets, text, so on, and be able to add it to any page that you want. And so I'll show you how to add an entire section to a brand new page in another video. But right now I'm going to hop on to YouTube, because it's very easy to add a video to your website. Just go ahead and go to the video that you want on YouTube, copy the link address, go to the video up here, and just go ahead and highlight and copy the new video. You could add a custom thumbnail if you want to, but in this case I do not. And you can see that I have this new section added right there, and I'm going to go ahead and change this text right here, essentially what the video is just for this example. And you could change that text too if you wanted to. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it blank just for the sake of time. But as you scroll up, you can see here we have a pre-built page, and we could customize this however we want to. Very easy. You can see that there's, again, drag and drop features. The little green buttons pop up, and it's very easy to drag horizontally, vertically, add sections up and down, and so on. So there's a lot of different features that you have. And again, whether you're looking for footers, contact pages, maybe you want some testimonials, maybe you want to add check-in, pricing plans, services, there's a lot of different pre-built templates that you're able to add and easily change the layouts or change the context of it for you to be able to really have a website function the way that you want it to, which is, again, very unique. And you could even add widgets right here. So maybe you don't want to add a whole new section. Maybe you just need an actual feature. Maybe that's a video that you want to add. Maybe you want to add an image. Maybe you want to add a gallery. Maybe you want to add a product. In this case, I want to sell a service for people to start for free. So besides just downloading an ebook, I want them to be able to know that they could start for free. In this case, maybe you're selling products or selling a service. You could add any product that you want to. I'm going to add just a button, and then I'm going to go ahead and change the text to get started for free right there. And then the cool thing is you don't have to pop up a link and then copy and paste. I'm going to go over the coloring in a second, actually. But with the links, you just have to essentially click the link, and you see all of these different options, from pages to store, to your funnel, to an external link if you want to, maybe an anchor point, a pop-up. You could even have it go directly to an email or your phone number, which is very, very unique. and in my opinion, very effective and beneficial for all types of businesses, whether you're looking to send people to a product, maybe you want to send them to a landing page, etc. In this case, I want to send them to our themes so they could look at different themes to get started for free, essentially. So that is how it works. It's that simple. But the other thing that you're going to notice is that the website is not essentially the green color that I want. So the cool thing is you could actually go over to this little paintbrush. You could look at different styling from the text. You could even add fonts if you want to. And what this does is when you change the fonts or add the fonts, it changes it across your entire website. So you could even go to coloring and you could select your different site colors, and you can see right there I just selected green, which matches our button in the top right hand corner. But now that button that was kind of like a blue turquoise type of color is now green, and I'm going to set these other colors to black, another green. I'm going to set this one to a blue, and I'm going to set this one to a light gray. And the cool thing now is once I hit update, you're going to see as I come down, the coloring that was once blue turquoise is now green. And there's the icons. I'm going to have to change the icons manually, but that's very simple. I would just click on it, click the little paintbrush, and then you can see the red, and I'm going to change it because now the global colors pop up. So all of the colors that I have across my site are right there, which is very, very, very convenient. So go ahead and get started for free at WebEBuilder.com.